Hey everyone, welcome to Silver Octagon Technologies, and in this video I'm going to be giving a small test demonstration of SD-1's left hand and wrist. So let's get started. Alright, first things first, so a little history on how the hand controls work, or the control system. So essentially I have placed my electronics for controlling the servos on the hands within the chest plate. So as you can see, there is two Arduinos and two PCB boards, in which the PCB board's purpose is to distribute power and to basically serve as a breadboard in order to have more connections for the potentiometers, because there's not enough space on the Arduino. Well, if you look, this is actually for the right arm, so the chest plate is going to be flipped around, and this control system here is for the left hand, this control system is for the right hand. But as you can see, the PCB board on for the right arm, right wrist and hand is actually smaller. That is because I'm actually controlling the the right wrist with analog, so it takes less connections. So let's get a good look at the inside of the chest plate. Alright, so we are now going to commence the test demonstration, and I will power on the left hand control system. Now, this is an error that I'm encountering. I wish I knew exactly what's happening. I'm not an electrical engineer, but yeah, if any of you are watching this video and can exactly pinpoint why I'm having servo skipping, I'm not sure if it has to do with the amount of voltage applied to the servos. It could be a number of things, in my opinion, but I'm not going to be certain anytime soon. So any input would be appreciated. So nonetheless, it has been working very well lately. I've accomplished my goal in terms of control, and the rest for now is just tuning. And that's it for the demonstration. Thank you everyone for watching. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see everyone very soon.